And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix if you get the message your account was compromised on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I'll show you what that message looks like. It says your account was compromised. It looks like you shared your password with a service to help get more likes or followers, which goes against the community guidelines. Change your password to continue. If you share your new password, you may get blocked from Instagram. So if you get this message that your account was compromised, likely this means that you signed up for a service or an app or something that will kind of automate different likes or follows or comments. And that is, with the goal that it will increase your following and get you more followers. However, Instagram doesn't really like when you do this, and they might block or ban your account. So, of course, the first step is when you're in Instagram, just change your password. However, the big thing too is that you want to make sure all of those apps and connected devices and websites and services are removed from your account. And I'll show you how to do that. So I'm in Instagram. At the very bottom right, we'll tap on our profile icon. And then at the top right, the three lines, we'll tap on that. And then we want to go into settings here, the very first option. Now, there are a couple different things that we'll do. We'll scroll down, and you can see right under Meta, it says Account Center. So we'll tap on Account Center, and you can see the profiles and accounts that I have associated with my Instagram account. So we can click here on the account, and you can see I have my Instagram account and my Facebook account. I've found it's helpful to remove the Facebook account and then re-add it again. So let's go on Facebook here, and you're going to tap Remove from Account Center, and then just go through the steps to add that Facebook account back in. So that kind of assures Instagram that you're human. There's a Facebook account associated with your Instagram account. So remove that linking and then add it back in. Now, the next thing that I want you to do, let's go back out of here, is we'll scroll up and we'll get to security. Once you're on security, at the very bottom, you'll see apps and websites. So click on that, and you can see active apps, expired, remove. If you have any active apps here, I would remove those because potentially that's what's causing Instagram to think your account was compromised. So make sure you remove any of those active apps. You can always remove them. Spend, 24 hours or a week without them, and then try adding them back in to see if you keep getting that message that your account was compromised. So go through those steps, and I would suggest scrolling all the way to the bottom here and logging out of your account. So hitting log out of your account, fully log out of your account, log back in, enter in your password, your new password and all that stuff, and you should be good to go. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.